must understand all the facts.
Menteri Rangba ke Jela ubalongru National President ke National People's Party Conrad ke Sangma hinin kesngi ulalet Chalaumei ke bahapo ke Sohiong constituency ban pan jingkershan nak benta Kertong ke NPP uba Samlin Malangyang nak benta ke election has Sohiong hadin bala pensange Shwashipor. Conrad haba ajing keren ulai ong ba kani ke election kalong ke ba compare naki weipat ke election haba ki beriu ki ladep tip lupa ba kaladon ke sorkar bala yalam da ke NPP ba day kani ke sorkar ke ban la ban wanra ya ka roy kapar na ke benta ki beriu.
Long live NPP! Long live NPP! Then let us work together and vote for the candidature of Pa Samlin, who is contesting on the NPP party ticket with the symbol of the book. Of the National People's Party, many leaders today are joining the NPP. Today, leaders from UDP and other parties are also joining the NPP. I'm very happy to inform you that today, the PDF party has had its central executive meeting. And in that central executive meeting of the PDF has decided that all their MLAs and all the party leaders will merge into the National People's Party on the 6th.